Okay. What? Look at me.
Leather ball. Leather ball.
What?
Leather ball.
Glitter ball?
Leather ball. Leather
Try to say it again.
ball.
What?
Leather ball?
Glitter ball?
Yeah.
Like, what?
Like blood when you hurt yourself.
Like blood when you hurt yourself?
Yeah.
And then what?
Then they talk leather ball.
Are you sure it's not butterball?
No. That was your butter.
And, look at me.
And it has a ball.
I'm pretty sure it's butterball.
Blood ball?
No, I'm pretty sure. Look at me. I'm pretty sure it's butterball.
Butter ball.
Yes. What?
I don't want to say that anymore.
What did you want to say? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, I gotta sneeze. I need my arm.